That makes sense. Because you're the freaking cute meow, Mrs. Meowton, Scarleton. We'll call you Scarleton. Oh, you don't like to be filmed. Alright. Oh, okay, well. And I can do it. Alright. Come on, kitty. I get it. This cat is literally not my cat. This one is another one. It's like a decoy. It's like a decoy. Come on. Oh, local kings. What the hell are you doing? That's my. What? Whoa, the hell? Whoa, kid. Oh god. No. When I put my leg here, sometimes, Mrs. Scarrington. Yes, I call. Wait, Sally. That's Scar. That is Sally. This is Sally from the creepypasta, but instead this is a cat. You two are literally the same. Look at this. That's my cat. That's the. Oh my god, that looks like my cat over there. But this is actually my cat. That is Decoy. That's all it. Goodbye, viewers. That's it. Bye. Oh my god.